Now let's talk a bit about ant people. I know these aren't galactic beings, but they are interdimensional beings. So let's talk about the ant people. Big giant ants. It's true. All right, so over generations and generations past, the Hopi and other Native Americans have passed down stories of how their people were saved not once, but twice by a colony of ants. Big, huge, giant ant people. The earth was under total destruction, once due to fire and once due to ice. And the whole outer surface of the earth was uninhabitable. Could this have happened during the time of Noah's Ark? Who knows? Who knows? Put that in your pocket, guys. See if it doesn't break some beliefs or cohesively add to your timeline of events here. But at one point, the story is told that these giant ant beings came out, took groups of people underground into the tunnels where they live in the heart of Gaia. And these are interdimensional portals which change or whatever, okay? It's not necessarily something we can locate. However, the stories are told that the ants saved many tribes during these times by taking them into the earth. They fed them, they housed them, they taught them, they sheltered them and protected them until the earth was free again and they were able to come back up to the surface. In which case, boom, the humans obviously were really grateful of their ant gods, right? So these ant gods who just saved their whole tribe, now they really believe. There's stories about them in Sumeria, in ancient Egypt. And I'm telling you this because this kind of visitation still happens, guys. Still happens. I know it sounds like folklore. I know it sounds crazy. But in remote areas where it's like dry, doesn't rain much, warm weather, the ant people do exist. I know of people who still communicate with them, who have had ant people into their bedroom and take them back into their hive, and they've learned things from them because they were open and willing. So I'm just letting you guys know that this does happen on a smaller scale with individuals being taken into the ant colonies and kind of taught some things. Who knows, if you're an ant person, maybe you'll be the next one who's in to learn those secrets.